Hey guys, I'm Muinao from Rokrul in Manipur. Today I'm going to show you some of the works that I've been doing in the past few months, especially during the days of lockdown. We all know that we have got so many free time these days as we cannot go outside of our home. So rather than wasting my time gazing on my phone or sleeping the whole day, or eating so many stuff which may cause depression or feeling of committing suicide or other negative thoughts, we can use our time to do some creative work. I have already shifted to my new building, and this new building is void of so many things related to carpentry, like shelf, kitchen cabinets, wardrobes, and so many furnitures. So I thought of working on all those things all by myself. You all know that I'm not a professional carpenter, or I should rather say a trained carpenter. Carpentry is not my usual thing. But this is the first time I'm engaged in doing major work related to carpentry. So without further ado, let's go and see. The foremost thing I needed for doing my work is to make a table saw. So for this, I bought a circular saw and fit it on this table. This is just a simple table. I made it. It doesn't take much time to construct this table. My works are done exclusively with ply and plyboard. So I use this table saw to cut and split those ply. This is the main machine I use in doing my work. It enables me to work faster and easier. Scrubbing the ply with sandpaper before painting is very important to give a glossy look on the surfaces. My wife also helped me out in painting. We bought some enamel paint from Nitu Glass here in Rokrul and use it for painting. Guys, that's the initial work we did. Now let's see the finished work. This one here has open shelves above and closed cabinet below. It is fitted with 3 doors. I made the doors with ply. I use hydraulic hinges for pivoting these doors. Now let's see the other side of the kitchen. Here on the other side, I have made the main cabinets of the kitchens. I take a lot of time in making these cabinets. This is the upper cabinets. The doors are made with plyboard. This plyboard costs around 65 per square feet here in Rokrul. This plyboard has wood between the outer 2 layers. I use hydraulic hinges for fitting these doors. The benefit of using the hydraulic hydraulic hinges is that it closes by itself when we give a little initial thrust. Now this is the lower cabinets for the kitchen. The first one, I made a compartment for keeping dustbin, as most of the space is taken by the basin. Now there are 4 drawers I made. Making these drawers are a little bit of a challenge for me, but with some hard work I can manage to complete these drawers. This cabinet doesn't have any handles because I prefer handleless cabinets. If we want, we can fit handles too here on the doors of these cabinets, but I feel like using this way. I also make 3 shelves here parallel to the pillars of my building. The first one is made for keeping things for kitchen use. And the second one is made for keeping books for my kids. And the third one is for keeping shoes for my family. I fitted these shelves in order to avoid unnecessary waste of space. Now let's see the work in the bedroom. This is the wardrobe I made for my wife. I made this wardrobe in 2 parts and fitted them one after the other. Otherwise, it will be cumbersome while installing the closet. The next one here is my bookshelves. Actually, I made this before the lockdown. The material which I use here is not exactly ply, the common ply which I have used in making other cabinets. This ply, I think they call it Buddhan board. And this bookshelf is made specially with screws. I also make a bed. The size of this bed is 6.5 feet. The skeleton of this bed you can see here. This bed is made exclusively with plyboards, except for the legs. They call this type of bed floating bed, as it appears to be floating. Apart from this, I also made 3 doors. This is the door between the 2 rooms. This is also made with plyboards. This portion here is not painted yet. These are the doors for my toilet and bathroom. No woods are used in making these doors. I also make a lid for my water tank, which is 13,000 liters under this floor. Guys, how do you like my works? I know this is not that extravagant, but for the beginners like me, I think this is quite okay. If you like my video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment. See you!